Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sahan Tejas. I know most of you guys were wondering what the trailer was all about. Your wait is over. Yes, your wait is over. How exciting is that? Watch this video till the end and you will know what this series is all about. Before that, please do subscribe, like, share and comment down below and let's start the video, shall we? Serious? My name is Sahan Tejas, and this show is all about positivity, entertainment, joy, and much more. This is a unique series. That's right. This is a unique series. It's not all about joy, but adding value to your life. We have a special guest in our show. He has studied the art of spirituality. He has even studied transformation and also life skills from Srimad Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. He is a vice head of Society of Positivity. Let me introduce Chet Mukherjee.
Hare Krishna, Jai
Hare
Shri
Krishna,
Ram.
Jai Srila Prabhupada, Namaskaram. Ushering positivity and aroma of peace around the world. Let us begin with the most asked question that people ask online. Are you ready, sir? Question number one. Why is there so much nepotism in Bollywood? Why is it practiced?
Okay, so Bhagavad Gita says that Bhogaishwarya Prasaktanam Dvayamarita Chetasam. So that means that when people are so much engrossed in material sense gratification, or you may say that they are hankering after fulfilling the desire of their eye or their sense organs like touch, they want to see something beautiful, they are mad with passion to earn more money and to have a luxurious life. So Bhagavad Gita defines this as Tvayamahrita Chetasam. That means when people are so passionate and desperate, that steals their chetana, or we call consciousness. And when this consciousness is lost, then people often get astray into some wrong means of following nepotism. Even they go to the extent of practicing favoritism, nepotism, and all such nasty things. So the root cause, as described in Bhagavad Gita, is too much hankering to be passionate for ordinary things like a bit more. I want to be more famous. I want to have a bit more luxurious life. And they are so passionate about this. They are so passionate for earning money that their consciousness is lost. So that is the reason. Actually. Yeah, we
Wow.
can go to the next question.
Yes. So are you ready? Are camps, power tables, and favoritism common in Hindi film industry, and one has to make peace with it?
Definitely not. Nepotism is not something which is good, and we should not never make compromise with something which is unfair or irreligious. Because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 18.66 that Sarva Dharmana Parityajam Mamekam Sharanam Braja Aham Tvang Sarva Papebhyo Mokshai Swami Masuchaham. If you surrender completely unto me, then all your sins, all your misdeeds will be taken care by me. You will be protected. So maybe Bollywood has been in the wrong way, but still, if they try to rectify themselves, if they try to improve themselves, then still there is a chance of improvement. And second thing, that the reason why Lord Krishna descends personally in our earth is that there are two reasons. One, to demolish the demoniac people, and secondly, to protect the devotee, to protect the saintly persons. So that is why we should always have faith. If there is something wrong, we should not try to make peace, we should not try to make compromise. Rather, as Bhagavad Gita says in chapter 4, Mai sarvani dharmani sanyasadhyatma chetasa nirashit mamo buddha yudhyasya vigadachvara. Means without being lazy, fight. Oh Arjuna, fight. Just keep on fighting and dedicate the results of your action to me. Don't give up. Yudhyasya vigata jvaraha. Jvaraha means laziness and yudhyasya means fight. And second thing is that karpanya doshopahata svabhava prithvami tvam dharma sammoha chetaha. So it is doubts that whether we should give up, whether we should make peace. This is simply due to weakness of heart, as Arjuna says in Bhagavad Gita, karpanya doshopahata svabhava. When our svabhava or our nature gets tainted, gets polluted with karpanya dosho. Karpanya means laziness, misery, that weakness of heart, that impotence, then we come to a stage of compromising. But otherwise, we should never think of compromising with something which is wrong, unfair. Rather, we should try to surrender to Lord, and as Lord says, "Yudhyasya vigatachvara," keep on fighting. So we should try to keep on fighting. Next question.
Well, I'll give you a short message. The message what he was trying to say is, it's like never give up in life. You have to move on. You have to strive forward and break the wall that blocks your potential. So please understand the message carefully, whatever he says, because each word contains a sentence that adds value to your life.
Yay! I love chicken leg piece! 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 I love eating chicken! Buckets of chicken! Oh, sorry! I didn't see you, sir. Hello, sir. How are you? Sir has just sent me to
Yes, I'm very nice.
a game. I was so bored inside sitting in quarantine, only eating veg biryani. Hello. I was tired. I was only imagining chicken leg piece, chicken leg piece. Okay, let's start with the game. The game is simple. You have to have a piece
Okay.
of paper just for remembrance. You have to say God's name, place, animal, and thing. These four things. Shall we begin? Hello?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, sure. We shall begin. Yeah.
Start. Stop.
Okay, I've started. It's G. G.
Okay, set.
So, okay, so God's name with G will be Govinda. Govinda means who is the giver of all pleasure. Okay, Govinda. Next, the place name will be Germany, or for I'll say Giri Govardhan. So Giri Govardhan was the place where Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill for 7 days, that too with his little finger. So that is Giri Govardhan. And the thing will be G for G for goods. Oftentimes we say goods, so G for goods, and that are the three things: name, place, thing, and God's name. God's name, place, and thing. Yeah. Now it's your turn.
Let me start.
So start. Stop.
C. C
Okay.
says
Say God.
chicken leg piece, chicken chili, chicken korma.
Hello. Wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. I asked some God's name that starts with C, and you are saying some chicken and chicken kurma. Okay, I know that you are a foodie and you want to have a lot of foods. That's fine, but I'll recommend you that Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that if you have food after offering it to Lord Krishna, then he says Muchyante Sarva Kilvishay, or all your sinful activities will be washed away. So Yajna Shishta Sino Santaha Muchyante Sarva Kilvishay. So when a Santaha or a saint has his food after offering it to Lord Krishna, then all the sinful activities of that person is washed away. So I will strongly recommend that first of all you stop violence with animals. Don't have chicken, and after if it's tough for you, then don't do it. But just a recommendation. And more major important thing is whatever you are having, please try to offer it to Lord Krishna and have it as a prasada. That will be beneficial for you and entire world. Okay.
Are you serious? Yes!
Yes.
Yes! La, la, la.
And welcome back. Sir, I hope you are safe.
Yeah, I'm
has troubled you a lot. He's also have seen his characteristic that he loves only food. He's eating
question.
chicken leg piece backstage. Only eating. Eating, increasing tummy. He'll become like Thor only from Avengers End. So let's session with the last question. The last question is: does nepotism pose a threat to outsider in the film industry?
Yeah, it does. It does. Definitely, it poses a great threat, immense threat to all the citizens of the world, whoever watches those type of films. Because in Bhagavad Gita, it is said that if a leader follows one path, then definitely the gentlemen who are following the path of the leader will also be going in the same way. Just like a blind man leading a group of people will definitely land up in some trouble. Similarly, the leaders of the society or the celebrities whom we adore a lot, and some of us even try to follow their way of life, if they are going in the wrong way, then definitely it's a threat. It's a threat to the society.
So, and an effective and nepotism should be implemented to help employers to get job. The job should be in such a way that it should select only the talented and skilled people, because many people have various talents, and it should not be that due to favoritism you're giving jobs to the people. It should be due to talents and skills.
Yeah. So, from spiritual perspective, Bhagavad Gita, 5,000 years old book of ancient Indian knowledge, it suggests in chapter number 5, text number 18 that Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. Vidya means knowledge. What is the indication that one has knowledge? It says Vinaya Sampanne. Humility. Humility is an expression of knowledge. So, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne. Even Bhagavad Gita says Shraddha Mandavate Jnanam. Or who is a person who is eligible to get knowledge? The person who is respectful to everyone. So Bhagavad Gita always says one to be respectful to each and every person. Not just this, chapter 5, text number 18 of Bhagavad Gita, which I'll read just now. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shuni Chaiva Swapakecha Pandita Samadarshina. Or it says that a Pandita or a gentleman who is having a great knowledge in Vedic scriptures, Pandita, he will equally respect a Brahmana, a cow, a dog eater, and everyone on this planet. So we can understand what the level of respect Bhagavad Gita is trying to propagate. That there should be no discrimination based on caste, creed, animal, or what kind of food he is taking. Rather, he should be equally respectful to each and every person on this planet. Okay.
So before we end the show, we have a special giveaway of gift cards, and much more. And you also had something about gifts. Could you explain the viewers?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So, as this is a very new series and exciting series, so we have thought of giving some gifts to our most loved subscribers and viewers. The giveaway is very simple. That is, you will have to just like our video, comment as much as give your feedback, and share the video. And we will be posting a email ID where you have to just send the screenshots of how many shares you have done, whether you have shared in Insta, Facebook, or WhatsApp, how many people. You just share the screenshots with us in that email ID. Later on, based on the person who has most actively shared our video, liked and commented and subscribed our channel, based on that, the top 5 people will be getting wonderful set of books whose net worth will be nearly 500 rupees. And we will give the electronic books and PDF of those books for free to everyone. And we promise that these books of high worth, having a great spiritual value, are not just some ordinary informative books. These are all transformative books. And moreover, your support for us and the activities which we are doing in the form of sharing the message, sharing the video, will definitely lead us and it will motivate us to keep on improving our standard and our content. And also, we can advance in future days with a high hope in our head, high hope in our heart, and we will bring some more exciting videos for you.
How exciting is that? Don't miss your chance. Please do comment, like, share, and subscribe. hit that red button like it's your last life on earth. Just hit it. Make it into black. Make the red button into black and enjoy the videos. Videos will be coming soon. And thank you for coming to our show, sir. And our videos will be coming day by day. I don't know. With the most comment and reviews we get from you guys, we will make post videos on that, not that day, mostly by day, not day after tomorrow, by next week or so. Because perfection is
Yeah, and one more interesting thing is that we are also planning to go live after a few days or few weeks, so that we can take live questions from you related to anything like life or anything related to professional life, life work, life balance, or any topic. If you want some suggestions about from Bhagavad Gita or some spiritual text, then we will be going live where we'll be addressing those queries related to our Hindu scriptures, Hinduism, and all such spiritual topics.
And one more thing, I forget always to tell about this. If you have any such topics you want to cover and you want to understand, please do let us know through our Insta ID or Facebook ID. Link in the description below. And stay tuned and see you next time. Same place, only on Saha. Bye bye.